Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to group data. We will group data of a column. Let's look at our data. Here we will group the data in total sales column. Here let's sort the total sales column descending. We will group the data 1 to 9, 10 to 19 and 20 to 29. To do that, click on the column header and then select Data Group icon and New Data Groups. Then select List from the group type. Press Ctrl on your keyboard and then click on the values you want to group. Once you have grouped, then rename your groups, then click OK. Now we have grouped our data for total sales. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates. Click on the link at your screen to learn to create an awesome dynamic dashboard in minutes. Check out other interesting videos on the BI Nerd. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BI Nerd.